Lose weight while you sleep with these amazing fat-burning drinks. Replacing sweetened soft drinks with water will cut hundreds of calories from your diet each day. Drinking 2 glasses of water before a meal may also help you feel full faster, so you won't eat as much. It can help speed your metabolism, too. 1. Cucumber parsley juice. This green juice made with cucumber and parsley can fasten your weight loss journey and can show quick results if consumed regularly. Cucumber has high water and fiber content and almost no calories. Parsley is known for its mild diuretic properties and high minerals and vitamins content. Both are nutrient-packed foods that are also known to aid weight loss in an efficient way. How to make cucumber parsley juice. To make this juice, combine diced cucumber, a bunch of parsley, ½ teaspoon grated ginger and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend them all together till it turns into a liquid juice. 2. Aloe vera juice. Drinking aloe vera juice at bedtime may help you shed extra fat naturally. According to Ayurveda expert Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, aloe vera has the potential of curing a range of ailments and provides complete nourishment to the body. According to the book, Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, aloe vera juice helps balance intestinal flora. It can be useful in cases of irritable bowel syndrome, and is a laxative that is reputed to help expel parasites from the digestive tract. How to make aloe vera juice. Scrape out the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf with a knife. Lob out the yellow part inside the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Mix it with 2 cups of water and blend them together. Pour the juice in a glass and enjoy this weight loss friendly drink before going to sleep. 3. Cinnamon tea. As we already know, cinnamon or dalchini is loaded with health benefits. It is a kitchen staple in Indian households and is known for its metabolism boosting properties. What's more, it also has various antioxidant and antibiotic properties, making it the perfect detox drink that not just helps to burn more fat, but also helps you with better sleep. If you don't like the taste of cinnamon tea as it is, then add a pinch of honey for some sweetness. 4. Turmeric milk. Last but not the least, we have turmeric milk or haldi wala doodh, which we have been consuming to treat cold, cough and other ailments. But did you know it can also help you with weight loss and improve digestion? That's because turmeric is loaded with antioxidants that help to flush out harmful toxins from the body. Milk has calcium and protein that will help you get good sleep,